Welcome back everybody. In this video, you're gonna learn how to make a character counter project. So it's like you enter a word or maybe a paragraph, and then you need to count how many words are there. Let's say we have a word Rohit. So in this case, we have one R, one O, one H, and similarly one I and one T. So this how it will work. So we want to make this. So let's think, how can we make this? First of all, you must think, what do we need? First of all, we need our word. So it's like, if you do not have anything, how can you proceed? So first of all, our word will be, we need a input from user. So I'll say enter a word or paragraph. That will be fine. So now what is the next thing? So we have our words. Now we need to store them. So as you can see from this data, we have our character, and then number of the times it comes, then again the next character, and how many times it comes. So which data type will be the best? In my case, the dict will be best. So words count. Let's make a dictionary with this name. So now this is done. Now what we can do? Think like this. We need to loop over each character. We go from R, then O, then H, and up to T. Maybe any word can be there. Your name, anything. So we need a for loop. So in especially in Python, we can count each character, or you can say we can store each character using this syntax. First of all, we need to give it a variable to store the characters into that. Then we need to provide the storage house, which will be our word variable. This will store each character. Now what we need to do is, we need to check. Let's say I store them, each of them, into this dictionary, and I give them a value 0. Okay, you will say, okay Rohit, that's fine. Now what should I do? So think like this. If the character is already present in the dictionary, then we can increment it by 1. So you must be saying, okay, you are saying that if the, let's think that like we have a bag with many colors of balls. I need to count how many red balls are there. So what I will do is, I will check if there is no ball, I can just add red balls. But if there is any red ball, then I can increase my counting by 1. So it's something like this. So I'll write something like, if character in word count. So this will check if our character is already present in the dictionary or not, like our back case where we check red balls. Then what it should do? It should increase its counting by 1. So you must be saying, Rohit, I'm confused. What have you done? So this is the dictionary and this is the key. So if the key is present, then I need to increment its value by 1. So it's a way of dictionary. So first of all, we write dictionary, then square brackets, and then inside we write the key which we need to check. And if it is present, then we can change its value. So it's like lock and key. If we have the correct key, then we can unlock the lock. But if we do not have, then let's just forget about unlocking the lock. If it is not present, then what we can do is, we can just write else, just write them, just add them into the dictionary and give it a value 1. It's as simple as that. Now let's print our dictionary. Let's see if we have made something important or we are just a rubbish. Let's see. I need to check Rohit. As you can see, it's working fine. So it's giving a right count. Let's try again. I say Rohit is dumb. So funny. So as you can see, I comes 2 times, so it's 2 here. Then spaces, it also counts spaces. So that's pretty amazing, isn't it? So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.